If your pool water isn't looking as clear as you'd like, no matter how much you're already maintaining it, this might be exactly what you need. Our pool wasn't looking the best lately, so we decided to try this out and see if it would help. This is In the Swim's Pure Clear and No Phos, and it's designed to target the stuff that's actually causing cloudy or dull water, like phosphates and non-living debris that regular maintenance can miss. It has a triple action formula that breaks down things like body oils, lotions, and debris, which are some of the biggest culprits behind cloudy water. So what the directions say to do is to shake the bottle well before you use it in case the contents have settled. And then you're going to use 1 capful for every 8,000 gallons of water in your pool. I have about 33,000 gallons, so I will need 4 capfuls. And you add that directly into your skimmer with the pump running. And you can do that once a week. So we're shaking it up. And then you take the cap off. It also helps to reduce surface buildup and odors, so it's tackling those waterline rings, that not so great smell, and even eye irritation by stopping the problem at the source instead of just masking it. One thing that I really like is that it's safe and compatible with all filter types, cartridge, sand, or DE, so no matter what kind of system that you have, it's going to work with it. Since we started using it, our pool water looks so much clearer. It's definitely made a noticeable difference in the overall look of the water. So if you're dealing with cloudy water or you just want to stay ahead of it, this has been such an easy addition to our regular pool maintenance. So if your pool's been looking a little off, I definitely recommend giving this one a try.